Hey, good afternoon everyone. Right now we are in the Hamptons and there are all kinds of luxury cars. We're in a parking lot with Bentleys, Ferraris, Mercedes, but of course what I want to talk about today is this brand new BMW M240i. This is the all new generation of the BMW Sports Coupe. This was just unveiled this past week. So it's kind of crazy to be able to see this car in person, especially one that still has the prototype pattern, this camouflage design to hide the features of the car and make it not so visible to bystanders. So first off, let's start with the first exterior impressions. You got these brand new headlights here, which have eschewed the BMW dual corona ring design in favor of a single strip right here. So that's part of BMW's new direction for the design. Not only that, but we have a brand new triangular intake towards the bottom, which increases airflow, but more than not, looks really cool. Let's move on to the wheels. These are taken from the M240i Coupe. You can see that design is very expressive. It's a 19-inch style and it looks really good on the car. As you continue on to the design of the car, we have the brand new interior taken straight from the higher level 3 and 4 series models, except with some 2 series specific touches to make it more appropriate for a sporty coupe. We also got a moonroof here, which shows that this vehicle has a higher equipment package than the standard one. And the interior here looks to be Canberra beige perforated Sensitech, a brand new upholstery for the 22 BMW model lineup. Let's head over onto the back. So here, you can see the brand new taillights, which have received some flack for their new shape. They're kind of oblong and a little off center, so people aren't really used to that and they're not really a fan of that, but perhaps they'll grow on us over time. It definitely looks better in person than it looked online. We've got this really thick, nice diffuser there, which shows that this M240i model, it's painted in gloss black with a really nice piano finish, and we've got these special cerium gray exhaust pipe finishers. And of course, because this is a prototype vehicle, all the badging is covered, but you can still feel the BMW hint here. And of course, the vehicle manufacturer plates reveal it all. So that's about it with the brand new BMW M240i G42 generation. I really thank you for coming out and checking this video out here with me in the Hamptons. And hopefully we'll be driving this car next time. See ya! Okay, thank you.
Video creds me.
Yeah.